I'm glad to have you in our Isoko language class. In this episode, I'm going to be taking you through the alphabets of the Isoko language, the old alphabets and the new alphabets. The old alphabet used to be 25, they were now 26 until they became 28 when they were reviewed. So presently, we have 28 alphabets in the Isoko language, and that is what we call the Abidi Isoko. Abidi Isoko. Did you get that? Abidi Isoko. And I will start with the old alphabet. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Those were the old 25 alphabets. I'll take them again. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Those were the old 25 alphabets. Then later an alphabet was added. This alphabet is unique in the sense that it does not have a sound of its own until attached to another alphabet. And that alphabet is alphabet C. Alphabet C. So it does not have a sound like the other alphabets. So that makes the old alphabet 26. Now, when they reviewed the alphabets, it became 28. The two additional alphabets were letter I with a dot under and letter U with a dot under. And how do they sound? I'm going to take you through them. The new alphabets. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. That is the 28th alphabet of the Isoko language. Don't forget, I didn't add the letter C because it does not have a sound of its own. See you in next class.